Ciao my friends, welcome to my kitchen. This is where I teach you how to make easy recipes for everyday cooking, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a savory zucchini pie. It is so delicious. You are going to love it for a dinner, or it makes for perfect leftovers for lunch. So let me show you how to put that together. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. So to start, we have a pie crust, and you can use a pre-made pie crust or you can make one yourself, and I will leave an iCard up here where I share my recipe on how to make a very delicate flaky pie crust. We want to take some slices of cheese, and I'm using mozzarella. We just want to lay them on the base of our pie crust. Next we have a tomato, and we want to cut some slices, and you want to make them about 1/4 inch thick. And then we want to lay our tomatoes in here. Then we want to take just a little bit of salt, and we just want to lightly season our tomatoes. And I like to also add a little bit of Italian herbs on my tomatoes, so I'm just going to do a light sprinkling of that. Next, we're going to slice our zucchini. Again, we want to do about 1/4 inch, and we just want to lay them side by side in a circular motion. And it's going to make a really pretty design once the pie is cooked. And we're going to do the same for the inside circle, and then for the very middle I'm just going to cut a few slices in half and just try to make a circle in there too. Perfect. So now we are ready for our custard filling. So in a small bowl we want to crack 4 eggs. We're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and about 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. I'm just going to break up these egg yolks a little bit. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. Now if you don't want to use heavy cream, you could use whole milk or 2% or non-fat, whatever it is that works for you. Now we're going to take our custard filling and pour it all over our pie. And a final topping of Parmesan cheese, because you can never have too much Parmesan cheese. Now this is going to go into an oven of 350 degrees for anywhere from 50 to 60 minutes until the center is no longer jiggly. And I will show you what it looks like when it's done, and I'm going to give you some suggestions that are perfect side dishes for this. So let's put this in the oven. So our beautiful zucchini pie came out of the oven. It's been sitting for about 10-15 minutes just to kind of cool before I cut into it. What I do like to do is add a little bit more grated Parmesan cheese, and I will add a few fresh thyme leaves just for a little bit more garnish and just to add a little bit more flavor to that. And it's perfect with a side salad for lunch. I like to do chicken sausage as a side with this as well. So there's a lot of options you can do as a side, and plus, like I said, it makes for a great leftover. The recipe is located below with all the directions and ingredients. I'd love to hear if you tried making this recipe and how your family enjoyed it, and also a thumbs up if you like this video. And until next time, ciao, ci vediamo dopo.